You know poetry?
I dabbled in between surf sessions. Listen, no matter what you give her, she's just gonna dismiss. You're too old, you don't understand, all that fun stuff. Trust me, I'm a perpetual teenager. What we can do is give her something to think about. No. Dog shit. Let's see. Damn. Favorite book? You're welcome.
Friend wants in.
Yeah, well, he doesn't know the CIA like I do.
Mutu levu. Right? That's what they call you back home. Huh? Swahili for the calm one. Unshakable, constant, calm and collected, no matter the circumstances. How do you think that's going to serve you in office, you Raife?
I guess we'll find out soon enough, eh?